Hello, in this video I want to show you how to edit your religious views for your profile on Facebook. So in order to do this, let's open Facebook app. From here you should see this page, so let's click on the profile picture or this icon right here. Now let's edit it. Scroll down and you should see edit your about info. So let's click on that. Then scroll down again, add your religious views, then add the religious views, and here you'll need to enter one. So let's add the flying spaghetti monsterism, select it, then save it. And right here it should be added. And now let's try editing the audience. So you can click on edit button. Also, you can remove it right here, but we'll be changing it to public so that everyone visiting my profile will be able to see it. Let's save it afterwards. I just lost connection, so let's wait. And it's saved to public. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.